In this video, we'll show you gin-soaked raisins as a home remedy. People have come up with a lot of strange cures for ailments over the years. When it comes to arthritis, one of the most curious cures seems to be treating it with raisins soaked in gin. The reason behind this thinking is that gin and raisins are both meant to have certain healing properties. Making gin-soaked raisins could not be easier. All you have to do is exactly what the title says and soak your raisins in gin. Pour some raisins into a bowl and then literally cover them in gin. For the best results, you may want to use the golden-colored raisins for this. All you have to do then is to wait until the raisins have completely soaked up all the gin in the bowl. There is no set time limit for this, as it depends on the amount that you are making. After your raisins have soaked up all the gin, then you can safely place them into an airtight container. The recommended dosage for the gin-soaked raisins is about 9 raisins each day. You can either have them on their own or as part of your breakfast cereal. Raisins do contain many curative properties as well as antioxidants, so they do actually rejuvenate many of your body's cells. This is why it is bound to be a long-term help for things such as arthritis. One doctor has even written in his book about the many different preparations that are currently in use for arthritis that use raisins and gin. Golden raisins are very good at relieving pain and have many natural elements in them. They also contain many anti-cancer properties due to the sulfides that can be found in them. Many of the people that have tried this remedy actually swear that it has improved their arthritis. So if you are one of the doubters, all I can say is try it and see if it works before dismissing it out of hand. Raisins, a healthy diet for hypertension and diabetes. Raisins are dehydrated grapes with wrinkled, fleshy and sugary skin. They are easy to carry, easy to store and easy to eat with exceptionally high nutritional qualities. This high-energy, low-fat dried fruits have been consumed extensively since prehistoric times. Available throughout the year, raisins are used to complement food preparations by way of garnishing or decorating. They are used alone or in combination with almonds, cashews and pistachios in a variety of sweets, bakery products, confectionaries and other delicacies. Curative properties of raisins. 1. Nutrient-rich, raisins contain many health-beneficial nutrients. They are considered to be high-energy food chiefly because of the high sugar content, which is comparatively more than in fresh grapes. Raisin cure is believed to be a popular treatment given to patients suffering from chronic and debilitating diseases. They can be made a part of the diet in febrile conditions like a fever. Serving as high-energy sources, they can be incorporated during recovery from illnesses, convalescence, or in weight-increasing diets. Raisins with their high energy density can indeed be made a part of a nutrient-rich snack, especially for children. They are also rich sources of potassium and dietary fiber. The potential health benefit of raisins is due to the presence of antioxidants called flavonols. They help prevent cell damage in the body. 2. Reduces the risk of diabetes. Recent research focused on the effect of raisin intake on blood glucose and insulin response suggests potential health benefits of raisins. In comparison with other foods or snacks, raisins seem to have a low glycemic and insulinemic index. Low postprandial blood glucose levels on raisin consumption significantly reduce the risk of diabetes. 3. Reduces blood pressure and risk of heart diseases. Documents of clinical studies on raisin intake point out marked reductions in bad cholesterol or LDL, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol and serum triglycerides. Intake of low-fat raisins over a period of time decreases the blood pressure significantly and thereby the risk of heart diseases. 4. Prevention of dental caries. Till recently, raisins, owing to their high sugar content, were suspected of causing dental caries. Low oral pH, sticking of food particles to the teeth and growth of bacteria are the factors responsible for dental caries. Research on raisins strikes out the presence of the above factors on raisin intake. In fact, the antioxidant-rich raisins inhibit the growth of Streptococcus mutans, the primary bacteria leading to caries. 5. Relieves constipation. High dietary fiber content of raisins make them useful in the treatment of constipation. Naturopathy recommends the intake of raisins soaked in water overnight to facilitate bowel movement. Following this schedule every morning for a period of time will be beneficial in relieving constipation. Children can be given the crushed and strained mixture of soaked raisins to help regularize bowels. 6. Reduces acidosis. Raisins with their high alkalinity help maintain acid balance in the body. Production of excess acid in the body leads to acidosis. Chronic acidosis due to excessive consumption of meat may be reduced by raisin intake. Raisins' sweetness makes them a great favorite. A handful of raisins to the breakfast cereal can do wonders. To make a colorful and nutrient-packed snack for children, to mix raisins with other fruits and nuts. To get more videos like this, hit the like, bell and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas in your life, get in touch via the link below, or call us on this number. We'd love to help you.